How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings guide for the Gigabyte AORUS Monitor. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply change our refresh rate. Now, when simply increasing your monitor refresh rate, it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to right click on your desktop, and basically from here, you just want to navigate through the display settings. Now, inside this page, once again, just scroll down and you want to look for the advanced display option. We have the display information and refresh rate. You could just choose the maximum refresh rate possible. Basically, the higher, the better it is for your monitor and for your experience. From there, you want to look for the OSD controls on your monitor. Most likely, it's going to be below the monitor itself or behind it with a joystick. So just press any button and OSD will then show up. So we could just apply the following settings right here. Once again, the refresh rate is going to be the maximum possible value. The adaptive sync is going to be on and the resolution is native. AORUS Monitor supports VRR for smooth, tear-free gameplay. For picture mode, you want to set it to standard or custom. This has the best overall colors, and this avoids overly saturated presets. For performance, you want to use your overdrive at balance and picture quality. Aim stabilizer at off. Basically, the aim stabilizer reduces blur but can conflict with VRR, so you have to keep that in mind. For black equalizer, which enables us to see enemies better in dark areas, use 10 to 15. And for the display settings, you want to use your brightness at 40 and 60, but of course, it can depend on your room lighting. For contrast, 50 and gamma is 2.2. So that's going to be the best settings for our AORUS Gigabyte monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.